it is art and entertainment. Mariana Lourens, yes. Mariana Lourens met kuns en vermaak. En ons is hier weer in die klein theater. Ons is bo op die verhoog weer, want dit is die stilste plek. Snaaks genoeg is gewoonlik 'n lawaaierige plek as hier 'n show aan die gang is. Maar dit is eintlik die stilste plek in die theater om opname te maak. Yes, I have 3 amazing people with me. They are all performers, but 2 of them are specifically dancers, and I am excited to have them. Kaylin is sitting right across the way from me, and because I've known her before, and I think maybe we been in a show together?
No, we have not.
We didn't.
Yet to do that though. We
still have to do that.
Absolutely.
You're going to make the show for a granny. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And Kaylin van Heerden, she's of course a performer, as I said, because she sings and she also dances and acts and everything. But she is also promoting some people, and we really need it at this time, don't we, Kaylin?
No, absolutely. Like, coming from 2020, I feel like the arts kind of took a backlash a little bit. So I think that the most supportive people right now are people who are directly involved in the arts, and we need to encourage one another and promote for one another, because we know each other best. You know, we know what the struggle is, and we want to elevate each other, not always in competition.
Exactly, and we need to put the spotlight on those who can shine.
Absolutely.
And if we don't help one another in these hard times, you know, what are we going to do? I mean, when I don't know when the end of the world happens and we've got no excuses.
Yeah, absolutely. 100%.
Sorry, Lord. Kind of thing. And then I'll say ladies first, because it is Women's Month.
Yes.
Women's Month.
Yes.
And I'm going to Chrissy. And Chrissy is just right here next to me. She is a dancer. Chrissy Swartboy.
Yes.
And you were the runner-up in the regional Dance Your Style contest.
Yes, for Red Bull, and that was me.
And that was you.
Yeah.
Yes. And it must have been something to dance in it's not only a dance contest, but it's your style.
Yeah, and it's amazing because the platform gives you opportunity to dance you regardless of what the song genre is. So it's still amazing that you can go there and not do something specific, but still just be free and express yourself without thinking I have to do something specific. So the experience was amazing. Going up against my close friend in the final was also amazing. And compared to the first competition that I did in 2019, I went way further this year than what I did in 2019. So it was just a proud moment, regardless of not winning, regardless of where it was, just the fact that I was able to make it to the final.
Well, I always say there's one winner and all the others are runners up, because you can't all win.
Yes,
but then I also have the winner. And Carl Adams, he is smiling from ear to ear, and he was the winner in the regional Dance Your Style 2021.
Yes.
So tell me, how did you experience it?
So it was a very, very crazy moment, very unexpected. I don't know if you saw in the article that I released the following day, the competition was not in my plan to go or anything. It was just a moment to go and experience the workshop that was happening, because they had pop-ups around Gqeberha, Port Elizabeth.
Yeah.
So I was fortunate enough to attend one of the workshops before the actual competition took place the previous day at James Building. That's how I also got to sign up. That's when I had my audition taken, and they saw me and they were like, okay, cool, tomorrow competition, please come. And I went and only filled out my register form there the day when I got there, and it happened. Everything just took place without me even thinking about it, or even forcing a feeling. It was a great day. So that's why I missed probably all the greatest highlights, but because it's just always...
So there you were going up against your friend here.
Yes.
And she was already planning and she signed up, and how long before did you actually have to sign up?
No, for me it was also a contemplation thing, because it was always popping up on my Instagram, or I would see it, ads and stuff, and I was like, should I do it this year? But because I was just being so busy, I finished my degree, I started working and things like that. So I was like, am I going to be able to do it? So there were like quite a few people that told me, are you going to enter? So I kind of took that as a sign. And then I think like 2 weeks before I said, okay, let me actually try. So I just did my online video register, but I didn't think anything of it.
So you actually had to do the video
Yeah,
to
so-
actually be accepted in
Yeah.
the contest.
Yeah, so it'd like to be like on like I guess the database or something where you just say you do something on Instagram, Facebook, you do the hashtag and you tag them, get to the online and then put the link in and everything.
And then they let you know, yes, you in.
Well, you just
not.
also rock up at the thing.
But you have to send a
Yeah.
video. So did you get a chance to send the video, Carl?
They took one of me at the workshop the
Yes.
day, the Friday.
Even isn't it a man's world? No wonder we have to create our own women,
Our month.
our month, our year, our whatever. We have to try and fight for it and scrape for it.
True.
They must have got
Here,
my
there he is at the right time, at the right place.
Yeah.
And he is actually having a video made for him.
Yeah. I like to think that I've been very humble in the industry. I've been experiencing a lot of opportunities that I had, and not everyone was mine directly. So it was also, that's why I said it's still so unreal that I actually won this competition. It's just not the
Because
fact
you
that I
didn't
won.
expect
Yeah.
it. You were actually doing it for fun.
Yeah.
Or for
I
just
would
to
say
be
for
part
fun,
of
and
it.
yes, because I know there's not a lot of opportunities. So that's when I also woke up as like PE people like always say that there's not a lot of opportunity. But when things like this do arrive, then everyone's absent at the
Yeah.
event or
Yeah.
whatever the case should be for that. So Red Bull coming out to us because also COVID, so you can't actually go to Johannesburg.
So where were
necessarily.
you exactly? How did you happen to be there?
Oh no, I attended a workshop
Because of
by
me.
Chrissy.
Okay, but so
Chrissy,
it was the workshop.
Yes.
yes.
So you at least attended the workshop.
Yeah.
Because of me.
Okay, because you invited him.
I was like,
so
are
if
you
it
coming?
wasn't for you, you wouldn't. If it
Yes.
The same with her. So Kaylin also said now. Kaylin phoned me and
Yeah.
she's like, are you going to the competition? I was like, actually, what competition? She's like, Kyle.
why don't you know?
Come on.
Because Kaylin's basically, like, to be honest, she's my manager. She
Yes.
sorts out everything
Yeah.
for me. And it's only because she understands me and we
Yeah.
understand each other. So I appreciate her for that. Like,
Yes.
because she's really the one up to, like, making sure that I attend the things that I have to.
But in the end, if Chrissy didn't invite you to and say, come on, come to the workshop with me, come on. It's actually, if it wasn't for
True,
Chrissy, you
true.
wouldn't have won.
True,
Right?
true.
You could take all the
I'm going to take all the
Yeah,
credit.
Chrissy, it's yours.
all the
I'll
glory
tell
goes-
Red Bull. It's because of me. No, but for real, like I feel like me and Carl, like even like with the show we did last year, it's like he told me it's fine, you're gonna make it, because we did the audition process of the show last year, and I was like, I'm not gonna make it. Carl was like, no, what are you saying? You're gonna make it, and I made it. You know, so I feel like we have become very close in the dance industry. I met him in first year and was like a fangirl, and then became close friends with you, and then just like I feel like we just have this bond of like we wanna be someone, be somebody in the industry, and it's very difficult in PE to do that.
Yeah.
So like,
And it's difficult
Yeah.
in dance.
In our industry
Especially
alone, I
dance.
feel like our industry is extremely competitive.
yes,
There's always going to be someone better than you. So it's
Yeah.
really important to find those relationships where you guys
Exactly.
aren't like just competitive.
Yeah,
but
we
you,
push
you
each
push
other.
each other
Yeah.
and you want to see each other grow and you
Yeah.
are grateful and proud for the next person.
Exactly.
So in your case, especially putting you and Red Bull together in the
Yeah.
finals, that shows that your relationship wasn't just, lackluster.
Yeah, yeah.
That it was genuine
Yeah.
and very
Yeah, it's a
Solid.
partnership that will work.
Yeah.
And tell me now, Kaylin, because I wrote you a big performer promoter, because she's now a promoter. She's become the promoter of a few. And as you say, she's your manager.
Yeah, she is the lady
And
that
the
makes it possible.
Performer, promoter, manager.
Yes,
Or
manager.
Yes, manager.
Yeah. Manager, performer, promoter. That sounds a bit better.
yeah.
But whatever. So it keeps you busy.
Absolutely.
Even though you haven't been in a show, you've been crying on my shoulder here because you haven't been in a show since Rent.
Yeah. I've been very passionate about the arts and in every single perspective. I've been a backstager, I've been a techie, I've been a performer, I've been a dancer, I've been everywhere. And it just excites me that now that I get to handle the management or the business side of it, sorting out administration, networking, promoting for performance, like it excites me in every aspect of performing. I'm not one to just want to be on stage and enjoy the limelight. I'm okay with being back. I'm okay with helping and elevating others. Like, as much as I would love to be back in a new production, if this is what is in my plan and my path right now, who am I to say no to it?
And you know, today, I think I always say I'm actually a team player. I've never aspired to be a leader or a big
In the front.
yeah, or someone who lords it
Yeah.
over others. I'm actually a good team player. I like being in a team. I like organizing the stuff, but I like helping
Yeah.
doing it as well. And it is actually something we should all be able to do, because you never know when you are in the right place,
Yeah.
Carl.
Yes.
And when you can help others and think, she can do it, he can do it. And then, hey, pick up the phone, say,
And you find a new respect for it. I think once when you are in the industry, you find respect for those colleagues or your teammates because you recognize what they go through and what challenges it's not just about you. So it's really important to be in all of those positions, and they elevate me and they like to use each other. That's
I
what we're
feel
here
like
for.
we also just need each other though.
Absolutely.
we need each other.
Because
It's not, we're not on an island.
Exactly.
We're in this whole ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All together,
definitely.
each in his own boat, but we still need each other.
definitely.
Which is quite similar to the Red Bull competition as well, because the voting system was according to your fan base or your following or
The audience
Quebec
members,
itself. There was the people that had voted.
Yeah.
So we are people because of the people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what's happened similar in the Red Bull competition, which was now going to take place in Cape Town.
Yeah.
The national will be taking place in Cape Town on the 23rd of October.
Okay, so you're on your way.
Yes, Carl will be
Carl
representing
is
the Eastern Cape.
Okay, Carl is, you can go, only
Yeah.
the winner goes.
I mean, Kayla and them are driving up the day before, so
managing.
I will have my PE people up in supporting me. But
Are you
yes, I
going?
do.
I can't have work.
You're working. Okay, so let me go to you because you say you've finished your degree.
Yes, I did.
What did you study?
I studied media and communications.
Okay, and how did the dancing thing begin for Chrissy?
When I was in grade 7, that's when it started. I didn't think of it as much, and then when
But did you dance? Did you like to just dance
I just
around?
did it like for fun. And then as the years went on, like I just realized this is actually something I want to do. Like this is a passion of mine. In grade 11 or grade 8, we did like a time capsule letter to yourself. When you get to matric, see what you read or wrote rather. And then what I wrote was the exact same aspirations and dreams I had in matric from grade 8. So it was so crazy that actually like the dance industry is where I want to be. Like that's where I want to grow myself. And then first year came, started cheerleading with these guys, and I just thought that was just going to be me cheerleading. And through cheerleading, I met the whole dance community.
Cheerleading.
Yes.
Is that now something you actually did?
Yeah, at
Nelson
NMU,
Mandela
we were
cheerleaders, that's
part of the
what we
Medinas
were.
cheerleaders.
Okay, so
how we all
was that
admit.
for
Yes.
events?
So for the varsity,
Yeah,
so we
for the
were like for the
university,
varsity
yeah.
rugby
Yeah.
and even we
Isuzu.
would
Yeah.
get the Southern Kings
Okay.
games and things like that. So through
Like the
them,
rah-rah girls.
yes,
Absolutely.
the pom pom Macy's.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all. So I was never part of the dance community because I'm not from PE. So I lived in George when I was younger.
So
So
you
when
grew up in George?
yes, I did.
What a lovely place to grow up in.
And then when I came through high school, I wasn't in the communities where the dance was flourishing. And then when I moved, when varsity started, met Kyle, met Kashifa, met Dylan, I mean all the whole of the PE dance community, and through that my dance was just flourishing up then until now.
Okay, and Carl, for you?
Okay, so I didn't necessarily go to university, but I was working at UWC in Cape Town. I was a cheerleader choreographer there. The same that I was here in Port Elizabeth. That's when I came down. So I've always chucked myself in the dance. Like there was so much going on, and then I could be so part of everything. That's why when lockdown happened, it was a very, very, very big knock into us as being into the industry, because now for the first time actually we don't know how it feels to not be present with things that's constantly happening, because now it's like you have to stay home, you can't fill up a theater that needs to have like more than 500
And for
people.
performers, that's extremely mentally
But
taxing.
you grew up Where?
In Port Elizabeth.
Okay, and you always liked dancing?
Yes.
Or did you always watch dancing like when you were in grade 1 or before you went to school?
I probably danced while I was like before I even could walk. I
Mom probably
majored.
says he danced. He didn't walk, he danced.
Yeah, my mom, she knows. She's just like, she knows already if I'm dancing, DFM is okay. I done ballet from grade 4. That's
Because
what I
she had
majored in.
the sense to put you into ballet. And
No,
you did.
actually, I have 2 cousins that is in the States. They're principal dancers right now. So their parents saw me at a family event one day just dancing.
Oh, so they're like,
I was just
persuaded
dancing,
her.
and then all of a sudden, next thing I know, Monday I'm in a ballet studio, and then
Oh, wow.
and that's how life happened. That's when I formed as a dancer. That was my basic, my ground,
No.
and I just started growing after that. Like,
Okay. But now I heard someone mention there's something on the cards. We've got like 3 minutes or 2 minutes left. My techie is looking at me and saying you must now finish because we're having such
Yeah,
yes.
So Kylan, what is on the cards?
So at regionals, you are given an ultimatum essentially. So you would have, for the Red Bull Dance Your Style, you have 2 different teams, and it's up to us as spectators to vote your card. Each team or each representative gets a specific color. There's no judging panel. It's all about winning the
all about the
audience.
voting.
Yeah, absolutely. It's winning the audience over.
So it's like a show.
Absolutely.
So they actually have to perform
Yes.
each dancer.
Yeah.
it's a battle.
It's not just about being a technically
battle it
good.
out.
Yeah, it's not just about being a technically good performer. It's about being stealing audience attraction. It's about enhancing and gaining what works and what doesn't. Not only for you as the dancer, but what wins the crowd over.
Yeah.
So what's on the cards? It just basically means that it's your job as the performer and your job as a spectator to then either vote with your voting card on which color the team should be.
Okay, so we have to finish now. But how do can we tune in? Are they streaming it? Are they?
Not as of yet, but you can go to the Red Bull site on www.redbull.co.za.
Okay, so if you go to Red Bull, www.
.redbull.danceyourstyle.co.za.
Okay, so it's the Red Bull and Dance Your Style
Yes.
words that you have
Yes.
to type in
Yes.
with the www.
That's correct. And then
Even
all-
grannies can remember that.
Yes.
Dance Your Style.
Dance
Yes.
Your Style, absolutely.
And Red
And
Bull.
then all the information is there. Unfortunately, closing registration for closing has now
It's done,
over.
yeah.
But you can tune in. You can see. They might even upload there after the competition.
Of course, it might even be on YouTube or something.
Absolutely,
It will.
be there. Yes.
And hopefully I'll take it to the World. So if I win in Cape Town, I go to Worlds, which will be in Johannesburg.
Yeah.
So then I'll be
And if
representing
you win there,
South
then you
Africa.
go to
no.
Then I win.
The world final.
I win the world
is in
final.
South
sky's the
Africa.
limit.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much for
I
having us,
really
Mariana.
enjoyed chatting to you so
Same.
much
Same.
today.
Likewise.
I want to say watch this space because we're going to dance some more. We're going
Yes.
to hear some
Always.
more.
Absolutely.
We're gonna keep dancing.
Kaylin is keeping us up to date
Yes.
with events and stuff. We're going to have shows again.
Absolutely. Auntie is
gonna
Amen.
be there.
Preach it, sister.
Yes.
We're going to have shows again. Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. And
Thank you.
Carl,
Thank you.
everything of the best. We'll
Thank you
all
so
be
much.
sitting here praying for you, those who can't go. Kaylin and them will be there cheering you on.
Yes.
And everybody.
I'll send you live updates, Maria.
Yes, please do. Yeah, please do.
Yeah.
So well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ma'am, Kaylin is behind you, and you, of course, being the runner-up, you could have been the winner. There could
Yeah.
only be one
Yeah,
winner.
yeah.
So, thank you, and it's really time for us to say goodbye
Okay.
now. We'll see each other again.
Yes.
So from Art and Entertainment en Mariana Lourens, it is goodbye. Mariana Lourens en kuns en vermaak wat nou groet met Arrivari.